specialists need the right skills to get their job done. Official cloud training is the most efficient way to develop your cloud skills.
Xebia Academy is an authorized training partner for all leading cloud providers.
While delivering the official curriculum of the cloud providers, we focus on the most efficient way to share knowledge and to go hands-on with technology.
Xebia's trainers are seasoned professionals who all bring years of practical experience with cloud engineering.
Sharing that knowledge is in our DNA.
Our trainers don't just teach this material, they also apply it at our real-world projects.
No matter if you're just entering the world of cloud technology or already have a wealth of experience, Xebia brings a complete training portfolio to take your skills to the next level.
So if you're interested in cloud digital leadership,
cloud engineering,
Software development,
architecting,
DevOps,
security,
or data engineering and machine learning,
we have the training to fit your personal needs.
Xebia's training formats are flexible.
Our training sessions are available for individuals as well as for teams and even for entire enterprises.
From classroom training
to online training,
and from public training
to in-company training.
We realize your development goals.
Ready to take your cloud skills to the next level? Combine the official curriculum of the leading cloud providers with Xebia's experience and start building your cloud future today. For more information, get in touch with Max Driessen.
Start learning today.
apply tomorrow!
Xebia, your official cloud training partner.